straighten, a little bit medium, collect and half pass. And if you notice, always the second half pass has got a bit more impulsion, a bit more fluency, a bit more expression than the first one. Straighten out, a little bit medium, collect a bit into half pass, and those steps. Now, for me, it's more emphasized, it's more defined. You can do all sorts of things like that. Good. In lateral exercises too. Then they are what they're designed to be, suppling exercises, engaging exercises. Don't forget, we have to score them as judges, but these exercises are designed to improve the suppleness and the development of the connection of the horse. Good. Okay. All right.